So my nephew recently has been sending me text messages with pictures of sauger. If you don't know what a sauger is, this is what a sauger looks like. Sauger fishing. People have done it for centuries. It has fed families. It has fed communities. It has fed the world. Maybe, I don't really know. I've never caught a sauger in my life. I'm mainly a bass fisherman. And I figure, hey, why not try something new? So my thought was, if I come and I bring my family, why am I pacing back and forth? Can you take me sauger fishing? They said yes. That's my hope. Can I catch a sauger on this trip? I went and got my sunglasses. Are you guys there? So I have some goals. Goal number 1, make it to Pomeroy, don't die. Goal number 2, get some nature shots. Goal number 3, catch a sauger. Goal number 4, eat said sauger. Goal number 5, I don't know. So I'm here on the beautiful shores of the Ohio River. Gonna try to catch some saugai. Got my brother-in-law who took me out here today to, his pole's rattling. Hopefully get my first sauger or saugai, mainly saugers. Keep shaking. Let's see how this goes. It's a long walk. It's a long walk for a fat guy. Good news is I only fell one time. Not too bad. Oh gosh. Okay, so the goal is to get down here without, as my brother-in-law, my nephew say, without kicking the bucket. Just have to not die first. I made it. Be a little more clear about what I'm using here. Just using a white grub here, little curly tail on a jig head, a chartreuse. It's the highlighter yellow or green, whatever they say. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I don't know. No fish just yet. No sauger, no nothing. Rush said, he got a few bites. I've not gotten anything so far. Let's keep moving.
Yeah, so that's Josh. Everybody spam the comments with I love Josh.
I love Josh.
He's got a cool beard. Chartreuse.
Yeah, I spent a lot of time, falling on my butt.
I'm not taking a break, I kind of slid.
Sliding up and down these hills, climbing up and down, which is a lot of work for a 33-year-old out-of-shape former athlete.
Randy lay there like a slug. This is only the...
Promise, I really did used to be an athlete. Yeah, I spent a lot of time not catching any sauger whatsoever.
I broke off. Excuse my double chin's a little fray. I didn't really bring any line.
Really think it through.
So I know what you're thinking.
Where's the fish, Anthony?
Yeah,
you
promised us fish.
Yeah.
Where's
the
bee?
Where's the fish at?
Okay, I did not catch a sauger. Good morning, sleepyheads. 8 a.m. Rush is getting cold, so he's going back to the truck. It's really cold out. We got skunked on the sauger yesterday.
Yeah.
Where's
the
bee? We're persistent. So we're out here ice fishing, and we're gonna try to get into some kind of fish. Last second! We got a hole there, a hole there, a hole there. We have so much holes, you could call us Stanley Yelnats. No?
What's that?
You don't know who Stanley is? The curse has been broken!
Flat bluegill in the world, but
it's still a fish.
I'm a persistent guy.
Got one. Yes! Yeah!
Hey, I think they just woke up, so I like it.
Yeah, they woke up. There you go.
Awesome.
There you guys go. You guys can see it, a little bluegill. He's spining me, but we're on the board. We're on the board. Yes. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Got another one. Let's go. We got one. Last second. Yes. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Heck yeah. Hold that bad boy up.
Thank you.
Hey, get back in there. Hey guys, I'm back. Different day. I got my sunglasses back. Yep, looks like you guys are there. Got my feet wet trying to do that sunglasses clip. I did try to film this outro differently and I had a script, but an accident happened. Just turning into a bad day. I did catch a fish though. A really small smallmouth. On our sauger trip, didn't catch any sauger, but we did catch a bluegill and we did cook it. People are driving by staring at me. It's awkward. I heard the song on the radio after sauger fishing, and it's called My Next 30 Years. And in that song, it talks about what the guy did with his first 30 years, but how he wants to live his next 30 years differently. And being a dad to 4 kids and a husband to a loving wife, it got me thinking, what do I want to do with my next 30 years? Because I know what it's not doing. I don't want to spend, my next 30 years staring at an empty line, wondering where I went wrong, having no fish. I don't want to spend time climbing hills, out of shape, being overweight, and doing those things. I would like to do it, just not by myself. How I would like to spend my next 30 years is simply as the writer of the song says, spending it with the precious ones that I hold dear. At least I think that's how the words go. Not selfishly always doing what I want to do, but it's doing the things that maybe my family wants to do. How are you going to spend your next 30 years?
Make up for lost time here.